In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best plant identifier apps for Android. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your plant journey, these apps will help you identify and care for your green friends with ease. Let's dive right in. PictureThis Plant Identifier. PictureThis Plant Identifier is a highly rated app designed to help users identify plants accurately using just a photo. With its advanced image recognition technology, this app allows you to take a picture of any plant, and it will provide instant identification along with detailed information about the species. Users can learn about the plant's care needs, optimal growing conditions, and potential pests. Additionally, the app features a community forum where users can share their experiences and seek advice. PictureThis makes plant identification easy and educational for both novice and experienced plant lovers. Plant Health Identifier. Plant Health Identifier is a specialized app focused on diagnosing plant health issues. Users can take pictures of their plants to identify not only the species, but also potential problems such as diseases, pest infestations, or nutritional deficiencies. The app provides tailored suggestions for treatment and care based on the identified issues. It also offers a comprehensive database of common plant ailments and their solutions, making it a valuable tool for gardeners looking to maintain healthy plants. With its informative resources, this app is great for those who want to keep their plants thriving. Plantify AI Plant Identifier. Plantify AI Plant Identifier combines advanced AI technology with a user-friendly interface to help users identify plants with ease. By simply uploading a photo, users can receive instant identification and detailed information, including care tips and interesting facts about the plant. The app also allows users to create a personal plant collection, making it easy to track their plants and receive reminders for care routines. Additionally, Plantify offers features that help users connect with a community of fellow plant enthusiasts, providing a platform for sharing tips and experiences. This app is perfect for anyone eager to deepen their understanding of plants. Thank you for watching our video on the best plant identifier apps for Android. We hope you found these tools helpful for enhancing your plant knowledge and care. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.